Hey, nice one. You're thinking like a marketer now. Adding WhatsApp button to your WordPress website is exactly how you turn random visitors into actual conversations. Let's go full detail mode, step by step, beginner friendly, and with pro tips so it actually looks clean and converts. Why add a WhatsApp button? Because people hate filling out forms and waiting for emails. With one tab, they can message you directly on WhatsApp. Faster sales, faster support, faster everything. Perfect for freelancers, online stores, or content creators who want easy contact links. There are two main ways. Manual method, no plugin, pure link or code. Plugin method, one-click setup plus design options. So let's break down the manual, right? The manual method. No plugin. Create your WhatsApp click link. Example. This is how it generally would look like. So I'm gonna tap the pencil right here. HTTPS dot WhatsApp me and your phone number right here. All right. Just to put your phone number. Replace your phone number with full international number. No plus, spaces, or zeros. Example, like this. Right? No pluses, no anything. Just directly. Right? And basically, you can even pre-fill a message, like, and you can type. It's complicated. You don't want to do that, but basically. Put an international number like this. This link opens a direct chat window on both desktop and mobile, right? And you can add this link to your WordPress site. You've got a few options. You can add a button like Gutenberg, block, or Elementor, right? Like you go to the WordPress, right? And log in, edit your page in WordPress, add a button block, set the link as your link, the one that we just made, customize color, icon, text like chat on WhatsApp, right? B, you can add floating button via custom HTML, which is very complicated. You don't want actually to go there. So this creates a floating WhatsApp icon that stays visible on every page, okay? You can use plugin even. If you are not into code, plugins are your best friend, right? Go click to chat for support by Holly Themes, right? You can use join chat, aka WhatsApp chat, WordPress, WP social chat, formerly WhatsApp chat by Quad Layers. All are free with paid pro features, okay? So example, click to chat, plugin setup, go to the WordPress dashboard, plugins, and then add new. Search for click to chat for WhatsApp. Click install and activate. Right? Hold on. Right? And then once you activate it, go to the settings and then hit click to chat plugin. Add your WhatsApp number with country code. Choose your call to action text, e.g. chat with David. Customize the button style, position, and icon, and enable on all pages or only a specific posts or pages. You can even add multiple agent numbers. Great if you've got a small team. So design tips, because you've got style. Keep the WhatsApp button bottom right corner. Users expect it there more. To use WhatsApp green, right, or your brand color. Add a small pulse animation, grabs attention without being annoying. Make sure the button doesn't cover navigation buttons or chat widgets. Okay, so bonus tip: in Elementor or any builder, drag an icon list widget, choose WhatsApp icon, paste your link, label it chat on WhatsApp. Optionally, ad tracking using UTM links so you can see traffic in Google Analytics. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.